I know one that you're already in, Pete, is Micron Technology, MU. And MU announced plans to significantly increase production. Now, many of you will take a look at a chart and say, wow, has that thing really kind of had a rough 6 months or so? June of last year, Pete, it was 155, 160. It got down several times into the $84 level. Did that in September, in August, September, and then recently in at the end of December, it was also right there in the lows, basically at 80 bucks a share. Well, it's back to 105 today. And I'm betting that this might be another one, Pete, that you might want to be adding to at this point.
Yeah, I don't disagree with you, John. I mean, the reason why that you and I are talking about this one today and why it's starting to move to the upside is this increased production for this high bandwidth memory. And who out there is kind of interested in that? Well, somebody like Nvidia finds that pretty curious. Second half of 2025 is when they expect this thing to really start to take off again. Do we wait that long? I don't know. But I think this is one of those names, John, that we should watch very, very closely. To your point, it's still a lot closer to the lows than it is the highs, 80 to 160, you said. So at a $1.05, up 6% today, it still has plenty of room to the upside. It trades at a very cheap valuation. And this is a company, John, that's accelerating. They're enhancing the experience of AI. I think there's a lot of reasons why this memory and this storage company really do have a good story to tell in the world that we're living in now, which is AI, AI, AI. I think Micron really should be a lot higher than it is. It might take some time to get rolling again, but that's why I think it's a second half trade.
Well, I would hold this one, Pete, and I would add to it on dips if you get any dips.